Hi, welcome to the user interface tutorial of Revit. So what we're looking at here is the Revit home screen. So when we first open up Revit, we are greeted with this window. In this window, it shows the recent files that we may have worked on, which is in the top half of the screen. And in the bottom half is the families that we have worked on. Over on the left-hand side, you can open an existing model. We can open up new or create a new model based on various templates. And then we've got the same for our families, which we can open an existing family, create a new family in this particular window. Once we've selected our file, we're greeted with this screen. And in this screen here, we can see that our file is in the middle of the screen, and we've got a whole range of different things that are going on. So what we're going to do is I'll list through those, and as we list through those, you'll be able to see where they're located in that window. They'll be highlighted there for you, and we can go from there. So the first one that we're looking at is the Revit Home button, and this will take us back to the home screen that we initially started off, which shows us our recent files or where to create new files. The second one is the File tab. This is where we can go to export, save as, and close files, etc. The third one is the quick access toolbar. That's located at the top of the screen. The fourth one is the info center. That is where your login is. It also has the help menu and where you can search for various items. Number 5 is the options bar, and the options bar normally shows up when we select the tool, and that'll be highlighted in the next screenshot. Number 6 is the type selector. That's part of the properties panel, and again we'll be able to see that in the next screenshot. We have our properties palette, which is on the left hand side normally. We have our project browser where we can see all our files. Again, this should normally is on the left hand side. We've got our status bar down the bottom. We've got our view control bar, which is also down the bottom underneath the main window. We've got our drawing area, which we will be able to see in the next screenshot. Then we've got our ribbon at the top of the screen. We've got the tabs on the ribbon, and we've got their tools on the current tab of the ribbon. And lastly, we've got panels on the ribbon. In our third screenshot here, I've selected the wall command from the architecture tab. Once I've selected that, you can see that there are other options that have now displayed which are normally not visible. So you can see the options bar, how it has a number of different information sectors within that, highlighted here now. We have the draw tools, which normally are only visible when you select a object to draw. You have the modify place wall tab that will only be there when you select the walls to change, and that tab will change depending on what item it is that you have selected to work with. And you can see that the type selector in the properties window has also changed. So in this instance, it says basic wall container red. The properties underneath that have also changed to reflect the wall type that is selected.